Sunny skies are back, and they are bringing some hot temperatures. Warm and sunny, hot and sunny, depending on your definition of hot and warm. But temperatures aren't going to be very cool for a while. Record heat could return as early as Thursday. I mean, we're getting close to some records already. So basically, hot weather's in the forecast. Staying warm tomorrow, staying warm Thursday, warm Friday, maybe a little cooler by the weekend, but not expecting any strong cold fronts anytime soon. And currently, it's not feeling like February. 93 in McAllen, 94 in Rio Grande City, 88 in Brownsville, and 89 in Port Isabel. Very dry air combined with kind of a light breeze from the northwest, which is a dry wind too, really warming things up today. And there probably won't be as much wind tomorrow, but temperatures will still likely be at least in the upper 80s in many areas tomorrow. The humidity's way down, not even on our little scale here, down to about 28, the average dew point, some places lower than that. So very, very dry air. And the breezes coming in from the northwest, but about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Not really windy, but when you get very dry air, very warm temperatures, and kind of a breeze going with low humidity, that creates dangerous fire conditions. So a red flag warning in effect until 6 p.m. After that, when temperatures start to cool off, then the humidity comes up a little bit. The winds will be dying off, but don't do any outdoor burning. You know, even though we've had some rain recently, things dry out very fast when the humidity is very low on sunny, hot days. So red flag warning for nearly everywhere except for right along the coast until 6. And again, tomorrow won't be very windy, but still just about as warm. We may see the winds pick up again later in the week by about Friday or so as another weak front tries to get in. Evening planner, temperatures falling through the 70s after sunset into the 60s. Now, since the air is very dry and the winds will be lightening up tonight, decreasing, the temperatures will have a chance to drop back into the 50s late tonight. So even though it's very warm right now, it will end up being a cool night and cool tomorrow morning if you're up early. Nothing on the satellite radar, clean sweep there with blue skies around and future track winds. Again, this is the wind flow showing that tonight the winds really decrease and become just about calm or very light from the northwest. And you see tomorrow there's practically no color showing up on the screen, so the winds much lighter tomorrow during the day. I mean, winds might only top out around 5 or 10 miles per hour most of the day, if even that. It looks like almost a calm day around the valley tomorrow. Now, future track in terms of any clouds, again, this is a clean sweep too. Low humidity tonight. Clear skies, temperatures drop down into the 50s. Sunshine returns tomorrow without any clouds, though. Temperatures likely back up in the upper 80s. Might hit 90 again from about McAllen off to the west or so in the Starr County. Tomorrow night looks clear. We could let this play again for a few more days, but we could save time and skip it. But sunshine returns again on Thursday. Won't be very windy Thursday either, but Thursday might be the hottest day. We may peak at record highs in parts of the valley, especially in the low to mid 90s could be a common temperature on Thursday. By Friday, there might be a front nearby approaching, but one that's barely a front. So you don't see even any clouds coming in on Friday. It just stays pretty hot again. Temperatures might hit 90 again on Friday to start the weekend. So the point is, it's going to be dry and hot. Rain chances are at about 0% for the next few days. So your first 1-5 7-day forecast, highs hot, 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 and near 89 tomorrow, but that's going to range from near 80 along the coast to the low 90s in Starr County. Thursday, remember, could be even hotter, with a lot of places up above 90 degrees. It's very hot and sunny all day long. The humidity keeps rising Thursday, and by Friday it gets a little more humid and highs near 90. There is a weak front trying to roll through on Friday, but one that won't do very much. It drops temperatures some over the weekend. We could actually be cool back into the 80s, maybe a few more clouds by Sunday, and then the models do hint at another warm up again with more hot weather next week. So we'll keep tracking the hot days ahead for February in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?